Question: Draw a simple system diagram and an FBD for each of the following objects. A. A pen sitting on a table. B. A rope connected to a crane raising a piano vertically upward at a constant speed. C. A lamp that has just begun falling from a table to the floor. Air resistance is negligible. D. A dresser that is being put to the right up a ramp into a delivery truck by a cable parallel to the ramp. The ramp is at an angle of 14 degrees above the horizontal. So A, we use this dot to represent the pen, and this is the Earth's force of gravity on the pen, and this is the normal force of the table on the pen. When we draw the FBD, we should make the vector reasonable. For example, the Fn and Fg are approximate equal. We cannot draw them very uneven. For example, we cannot draw the Fg too long and the Fn too short. We cannot draw this way. This is not good. And B, we use this dot to represent the piano, and this is the Earth's force of gravity on the piano, and this is the tension force of the rope on the piano. Again, when we draw the vectors, we should make them reasonable. We cannot draw one too long and one too short. And C, the lamp has just begun falling from the table. So here is the lamp, and this is the Earth's force of gravity on the lamp. So there is only one force on this lamp because it has fallen from the table. So there is a normal force of the table on the lamp. And now question D. This is the ramp, and this is the horizontal space, and this angle is 14 degrees. And this is the dresser. This is the force, the tension force of the cable on the dresser. And this is the Earth's force of gravity on the dresser. And this is the normal force of the ramp on the dresser. There should be another force on the dresser. That is the kinetic friction force of the ramp on the dresser. So for the FBD, we just use a dot to represent the dresser, and this is the tension force of the cable on the dresser, and this is the Earth's force of gravity on the dresser, and this is the normal force of the ramp on the dresser. And this is the kinetic friction force of the ramp on the dresser. And this angle is 14 degrees.